Hello and welcome everybody. TBLT on 29 November. We go for the trend line here, and this trend line helps TBLT to increase here from this level to this level. It increased from 1 USD and 80 to 1 to 2 USD and 80 maybe. So that goes to be the TBLT movements, and this decrease in momentum was absolutely clear to be explained on this stock from a value of 8 USD 50. So what can I think about is going to be about the number of red candles. Okay, this movement. So I think this movement would be about the rebounding part here. Maybe it decreases until it reaches this limit. Below this part there is no waves, because this is going to be 0 USD level.